Hello everyone, welcome to our Japanese language lesson. Today we will learn some common greetings in Japanese that you can use in different situations. Konnichiwa. This is a versatile greeting used to say hello. It is commonly used when you meet someone during the day, typically from late morning to early evening. Ohayou gozaimas. This phrase means good morning. It is used to greet someone in the morning, typically until around 11 am. Konnichiwa. This phrase means good afternoon. It's commonly used when you meet someone during the day, typically from late morning to early evening. Konbanwa. This greeting means good evening and is used to greet someone after the sun sets, usually from around 6 pm onward. Sumimasen is used to say good night when you or someone else is going to bed or when leaving for the night. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu means thank you. It is a polite way to express gratitude to someone. Osukare-sama desu. This expression is used to acknowledge someone's hard work or efforts. It can be translated as thank you for your hard work or you have worked hard. Sumimasen. Used by shopkeepers or service staff to greet customers entering a store. Hajime masite. Hajime masite translates to nice to meet you and is used when meeting someone for the first time. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu means please take care of this or nice to meet you, and we can use when requesting a favor or making a request. Gokigenyo, used by some elderly people, means good day or goodbye. Sayounara means goodbye. It is used when parting with someone for a longer period or in more formal situation. Sumimasen. This phrase is used to say excuse me or I am sorry. It can be used when you need to get someone's attention or apologize for something. If you want to say someone no or not at all, then you can say iie. I am home. Then we can say Tadaima. If you say someone welcome home, then you can say Okaeri nasai. Before eating, the Japanese people say itadakimasu, means thank you for the meal. After eating, they will say gochi sosuma desita, means thank you for the meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.